case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1970, a contentious case, Klanke versus Camp, took center stage at the United States District Court for the Southern District of Texas. The dispute revolved around an application by the plaintiffs to establish a national bank, an application that was denied by the Comptroller of the currency. The plaintiffs denounced the denial as illegitimate, arbitrary, and unfairly discriminatory. Resolute in their pursuit of justice, they filed a lawsuit seeking an order compelling the Comptroller to either approve the charter or stipulate the conditions for its approval. In response, the Comptroller argued that his ruling was not subject to judicial review, asserting that the power to decide whether or not to grant a charter for a bank was within his discretion, as given to him by the Congress. This argument, however, was deflected by the court, who believed that unless explicitly stated by Congress, the Comptroller's decisions are always subject to scrutiny. The court went further to dismiss the government's claim that the plaintiffs were unqualified to raise such complaints, citing that a statute must show an explicit intention to prevent judicial review to successfully do so. The court established that the plaintiffs did indeed have the standing to sue. The court outlined the basis for the plaintiffs to challenge the Comptroller's decision. They needed to convincingly demonstrate that the Comptroller had overstepped their authority, had acted on a whim, had abused their power, or had discriminated unlawfully in violation of the Constitution in their denial of the bank charter. Throwing a lifeline to the plaintiffs, the court granted them an additional 30 days to gather irrefutable evidence displaying an abuse of authority by the Comptroller in their charter application denial. Should they manage to do so, they could compel the Comptroller to either approve the charter or specify the criteria for its approval.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.